Alright, so welcome back to day 20 of our Python coding challenge. So that's 2 over 3 out of the days we have left. So just 10 days left for now. And say we are doing well. So now we are going to do a challenge called leaders in array. So an element is a leader if it's greater than all the elements to its right. So the rightmost element is always a leader. So by default, well, let's have like the outmost element is always a leader. Then the first integer n size of array, the number, the next n integer numbers of array, then the output or the leaders are separated by spaces. So we have 6 elements here and we have all this type of element now. So the output now we want to have the leaders. So here now 17 is greater than all the elements is right. 5 is greater than all the elements is right. 2 is also greater than all the elements is right. So here again we have this and 19 is a leader. But 18 is not greater than any element is right. Since 19 is the first leader, so there's no other leader because there's no number greater than 19. Alright, so let's start with that. So the first thing is to like collect our input. So let's go again with n. The int input. Alright. Enter number of elements. Alright, so we have that, and now what I want to do is array, then just as we have been doing before, list map, then int. Alright, then input, and say enter elements. Alright, then dot split. Alright, so we have it this way now. So we are just going to have a list for leaders right here, and we are going to have max from right. So this is say that this is a max from right. I'm just going to set this to a negative float value by default. Alright, so now to transverse from right, we want to loop through this. So for I in range, so first n minus 1, so n minus 1, and we are taking this loop backward with a step of minus 1. So we're coming from left to right. So where are we stopping? We are stopping at the last element with a step of minus 1. So we are stopping at element 0 by default, as we put it like this, with a step of minus 1 from the beginning. So if the current array now is greater than max from right, if it's greater than max from right, what we want to do now is say leaders dot append array I. I want to say max from right now is equals to array I. Alright, so we want to say max from right now, array is equals to max from right. Okay. And now when we get the leaders, we append that and we send the max from right to the array there. So that is what we are going to do. Then the next thing we want to do is now to reverse this array called leaders. Then we can just go ahead and just print out leaders. So let's just run this and see. So if we have like 4 elements and we have like 3, 2, 5, 4. So we have 5 and 4 as the leaders of this array. But okay, well, let's say we'll put an asterisk here so it can like close this thing. So let's just say, okay, 4 again, 3, 5, 4, 2. So now we have it this way. So now we can see our leaders, our array leaders at work and doing very well. So this is active and alright. So this is how you can find a leaders in array, which is an array, which is elements that it is greater than the other elements at the right side of it. So here now we are looking for the top 3 and just the way it is. Alright, so that'll be all for today's tutorial. Do well to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. Bye. See you in the next video.